The Monster Under the Bed. Written by Kevin Dyer. Illustrated by Sarah Horn.
Scene 1. Ben's bedroom. Ben's in bed asleep. His alarm clock goes off. Mum comes in.
Come on, time to get up.
Mum, I'm poorly. Let's stay at home.
I can't. I've got work. You've got school.
Throat.
Looks all right.
My bed's been bulgy all night. There's something underneath. Monsters or something.
Ben, the only monster in this room is me. Get dressed and eat your breakfast.
Mum hands Ben a bowl of cereal.
I'm counting to 60, and if you're not ready, there'll be big trouble.
Mum leaves. Ben puts the bowl on the floor. An arm comes out from under the bed and grabs it.
Oi!
The bowl disappears under the bed.
Give me my bowl back.
The bowl is thrown out, empty.
Where's my breakfast?
Gone. Tommy.
Come out.
Monster squeezes out.
Who are you? What are you? You're a... that lives under my...
Bed.
You ate my breakfast.
You ready?
Today, Mummy thinks scary.
It's because Dad's gone.
You've got to go to school. I've got to do my jigsaw.
Hey, that's my jigsaw. And I'm not going to school today because Vince stole my binoculars. Dad gave me them before he went away. I took them to school and Vince stole them.
Is Vince bigger than you?
Yes.
Bigger than me?
No.
You stay here then. I'll go and get the binoculars and eat Vince.
Miss Rowlands will put you in the naughty corner.
Don't care.
Monster starts to get dressed in Ben's clothes.
Bad people should be eaten. That's what my dad says. Only my dad's poorly and hungry, and I've never been to school before. Is it scary?
Just call Miss Rowlands Miss, put your hand up before you speak, and join in everyone else's games.
Mum comes in and grabs Monster.
School time. Come on.
Mum drags Monster off. Ben looks under the bed.
Nothing there. Nothing at all.
Suddenly, a big arm shoots out from under the bed and grabs him.
Ah! What do you want?
I'm hungry.
Ben is pulled under the bed. Scene 2. School. Monster is running. Miss Rowlands calls to him.
Ben, get back here now.
Are you Vince?
Do I look like Vince?
No, miss. Sorry, miss. I, had something in my eye, miss, and couldn't see properly.
But it wasn't stopping you running in the corridor, was it?
No, miss.
And what happens, Ben, to people who run in the corridor?
They get eaten, miss?
Don't be cheeky. Now, it's dance time, so find a partner.
All the class pair up. Monster grabs Anthony.
Are you Vince?
I'm Anthony, stupid.
Funny name. Anthony stupid.
You're weird today, Ben. You've got a funny look in your eye and you smell sort of dusty.
Anthony takes Ben's glasses off Monster.
Wow! You're not Ben. You're...
Monster snatches back the glasses. He blows at Anthony, who is whisked away and lands somewhere with a crash.
Whoa! What's up with Anthony?
Dunno. You Vince?
Course not, silly.
Where's Vince?
He's gone to see the doctor. He'll be in later.
Right, everyone? Move to the music. Beautifully, like leaves on a tree in a spring breeze.
Music plays. Monster moves like a tree, but then throws himself around like a mad thing. Celine tries to dance with him, but it's impossible. Scene 3. Under the bed.
What have you done with my son? You eaten him?
No! He's my friend.
Fibber, monsters don't have friends. You've eaten him for breakfast.
No! He's gone to school to eat Vince.
Fibber, Fibber! I've got teeth sharper than an enormous crocodile. You stole my son, so I'm going to eat you.
Help!
No one can hear you. It feels like breakfast time.
Don't eat me, please.
I'm big hungry. Now's the time my son goes out there to the fridge and brings back breakfast. And we have a picnic.
I can do that.
You're not leaving here. You won't come back.
I will, and I'll bring big fat sausages. Mum bought some the other day.
I love big fat sausages.
They'll be lovely and juicy, and I'll get some nice cold milk and some cereal and some marmalade and toast and butter and yoghurt and whatever else you'd like. We'll have a breakfast picnic.
You'll bring all that food and promise not to run off.
Yes, if you promise not to eat me when I come back.
Double promise. I don't really eat children. I prefer sausages and orange juice. The one with the bits is best.
Dad Monster smiles at Ben, and Ben leaves. Scene 4. School. Monster is fed up after a difficult morning. Miss Rowlands comes up to him.
Ben, about dance.
Sorry, miss.
And maths.
Sorry. For sticking compasses in the ceiling.
And science.
Sorry. I didn't mean the explosion.
I am not happy.
I'll take money from Ben's piggy bank to pay for the new door.
Ben, are you all right today? I know your dad's gone away, and I'm sure your mum's missing him. Are you okay?
I'll be better when Vince gets here, miss.
Of course. When things are difficult, friends are important, aren't they? But don't worry, Vince will be back soon. He'll be here for lunch.
Miss Rowlands leaves.
Lunch. Vince for lunch. Yes.
Scene 5. Under the bed.
Today, me and Luke were going to do our jigsaw.
You mean my jigsaw?
Ours too. When you go to school, we play with all your toys, your train track and toy cars and everything. Then put them back, exactly, so you don't know we're here.
Anyway, the jigsaw's rubbish. There's a piece missing. A 100-piece jigsaw with one piece missing. Useless.
Wait there.
Dad Monster looks in the rubbish under the bed and finds one piece.
Your jigsaw's not as useless as ours. Ours is a 100-piece jigsaw with 99 pieces missing.
It's the missing piece!
Ben gets the other 99 pieces and they start to do the jigsaw.
You said Luke. Is that his name? I didn't know monsters had names.
Course we've got names.
What's your name?
Not telling.
Go on, you know mine.
Promise not to laugh.
Promise.
Dad Monster whispers his name to Ben. Ben laughs and laughs and laughs. Scene 6. School. Monster Anthony and Celine are in the lunch queue. Vince comes in.
All right, everybody? You all right, Ben? You look a bit funny.
You, Vince?
Good job you're here, Vince. Ben hasn't half been waiting for you. He's been in a right weird mood all day.
Monster takes off his glasses and there's thunder, smoke and lightning. He roars. He moves to get Vince. Panic. All the children are running.
Vince!
The children scream. Monster catches up with Vince.
You. Binoculars. Now.
I haven't got them.
You made Ben unhappy. Nicked his binoculars. So Incy Wincy Vincy, I'm going to pull off your legs and eat you.
Monster grabs Vince. Miss Rowlands comes in.
Ben, stop being a monster. Naughty corner now.
Monster quickly puts Ben's glasses back on and stands in the corner.
And stay there for the rest of the afternoon.
Scene 7. Under the bed.
I wonder what Luke's doing now.
He'll be with his friends, or my friends, enjoying himself.
I don't want him to be enjoying himself.
Well, maybe he's not enjoying himself.
I don't want him to be not enjoying himself. When's he coming home?
Straight after school. The bell will go and Celine's mum will bring him, home.
Good. Luke's coming home, and we're all going to live happily ever after.
Scene 8. School. Monster stands with his bag. The children go home. Celine and Vince come in.
Is it home time now?
Maybe. I've told my mum that your mum phoned and that your mum said she's going to pick you up herself.
Good.
Only your mum didn't phone, so she's not going to pick you up. I know it's a lie, but I don't care. You nearly ate Vince. You nearly ate the whole school. You've been a total pain all day.
Vince, I need the binoculars.
Vince gave them to the recycling people. They'll be crushed and turned into something else by now. Come on, Vince. He can stay here all night.
Celine drags Vince off. Scene 9. Under the bed.
He's late.
Very late.
Very, very late. You've got to go and get him.
Can't. Mum wouldn't let me go on my own. You go.
Can't. Can't go out. Can't go out. I live under the bed. It's too scary out there.
Dad Monster hides under all the rubbish under the bed. Scene 10. School playground. Monster stands at the gates. Vince comes in.
Thought you'd gone home. Left me.
If you stay here, you'll die of cold. Or worse, your mum will be dead mad for you not going straight home after school. Also, I've got these.
Vince gives the binoculars back to Monster.
I shouldn't have kept them. Only they looked well smart.
Celine said they were broken.
She was upset. Ben, there's something not right about you today. You've got weird hands. Your eyes are a different colour to yesterday. You smell sort of like under the bed. You're not Ben, are you?
Monster shakes his head.
What have you done with him? Have you eaten him?
No, he's at home. He's home, waiting for me to bring the binoculars back. Vince, I've got to get home. Only I don't know the way. Help me, please.
I don't know the way either. What's your address?
I dunno. I live under the bed. I've never been out before. What are we going to do?
They sit down, worried. Scene 11. Ben's bedroom. Dad Monster comes out from under the bed and unfolds huge wings.
I'm going to get him.
Wow! They're fantastic.
Problem. I don't know the way.
I do.
They fly.
There's school.
There's my boy.
They swoop down and lift up Monster and Vince. Vince screams. They fly back home and land with a crash in Ben's bedroom.
Sorry, landings are the difficult bit. But I got my boy. Look, home at last.
Dad Monster gives Monster a great big hug.
Had a nice day at school?
Yeah, great, cool, no problems, fantastic.
Monster looks in the bag.
Oh no!
What's happened?
It wasn't great, cool, no problems, fantastic. It was terrible. I couldn't dance, couldn't do maths. I made Celine angry. I made Anthony angry. Made Miss Rowlands angry. nearly 8, Vince. And now I've broken the binoculars.
I was going to look through them and see where my dad was, that he was okay. Now I can't.
Here, hold your hands like this.
Vince makes a pair of binoculars with his hands.
Like this, I can see anything I want. I can see all the way to China if I want, or the North Pole.
Vince, Monster and Ben look out through pretend binoculars.
Look for your dad. Is he there?
Ben sees his dad. He takes his hands down from his eyes. He smiles.
Yeah, he's fine. Thank you.
Ben, I'm home.
It's Mum.
See you tomorrow.
Vince runs off. Monster and Dad Monster jump under the bed. Ben picks up a book and acts innocent. Mum comes in.
Anything happen at school?
No, nothing special.
Mum leaves. Ben looks under the bed. He can't see the monsters.
Hello? Hello?
For a moment, he thinks it's all been a dream. Then...
Boo!